Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this 2022 on a 22 plate approved used Audi TT Coupé Black Edition 40 TFSI S-Tronic in Mythos black metallic paintwork. This vehicle is available as an approved used car, so it does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. Start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning TT. So starting out at the front, we have these super bright LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down, we have these optional 20-inch 5-spoke V-style design alloy wheels that really complement the sporty nature of this vehicle very well, and they really stand out and make you look extra special on the road. And looking back, we do also have the privacy glass, which is perfect at protecting the rear occupants from the sun and also any items you have in the back from view. Looking in the rear, we do have two spacious seats, both of which come with ISOFIX points, perfect for those child seats, and the seats do also fold 50-50, meaning you can get larger items through there as well. Looking to the rear, we have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. Then popping the tailgate open and having a look inside, as you can see, we do also have the fixed rear spoiler, which adds a really sporty vibe to this vehicle. Looking inside, we've got plenty of space in there for those golf clubs, also for your weekly shop. And once the rear seats are folded, as mentioned before, you can get larger items through there. And if you take the wheel off, you can get a bike in the back of this vehicle. We have tried, and let's have a look inside the vehicle. So inside, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display. So our trim that runs along the central area there near the gear selector is our brushed aluminium trim, which really stands out and makes this vehicle look extra premium. It really nicely contrasts the black inside as well. We do have as well there the Alcantara and leather seats with the embossed S-Line logo on the front seats there. They're really comfortable, really supportive, especially with the addition of the electrical emboss support. Perfect for those longer drives and especially for those with back issues. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this approved used Audi TT Coupé. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside the TT at some of the technology on offer in this stunning coupe. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are a godsend on those frosty winter mornings. We also have the heated front seats in this vehicle, which can be operated by either pushing that button or twisting it. There's several different ways, so whichever one takes your fancy on that particular day, and they are perfect for those chilly winter mornings on those drives to work. And looking over, we have this 3-spoke flat bottom leather wrap multifunction steering wheel, which has all the important buttons right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash. Behind that, we've got our downshift paddle for the S-Tronic gearbox for those sportier drives. Below that, we've got our cruise control and speed limiter, great for those longer drives. It also means you won't get any speeding tickets. On the right hand side, we've got our volume control as well as our seat track, our voice control and our telephone controls. And then behind that, we do also have our upshift paddle, also for the S-Tronic gearbox. Now situated behind the steering wheel is the large central screen there, which is known as the Audi Virtual Cockpit. And you can look at things on there such as your vehicle settings, your radio station, your telephone, as well as your map screen. And you can also change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised. Now this screen also doubles as our central infotainment screen, so you can look at things on there such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which means you can use things such as Spotify or Siri, and that means you don't have to take your eyes off the road and it's a more familiar layout to yourself. We've got our map screen there, as shown before, which is also connected to our navigation, which means home is never far away. We have our telephone there for those important business calls on the way home. We have our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We've got our long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then if we have a look in our car setting, we've got Audi's famous Drive Select, which is our program there that changes the way the car is set up. So if you want to go for an economy run, you can put the vehicle in efficiency, whereas if you fancy more of a spirited drive, you can put the vehicle in dynamic or choose the settings for yourself in individual. Looking over, we have the air conditioning in this vehicle, which is really effective, especially on those warmer summer days, and keeps you nice and cool at all times. Looking below that then, we have this lovely centre compartment here that has this very elegant sliding cover, and underneath that we've got 2 USB sockets, perfect for charging your mobile devices alongside an auxiliary port, and there's also plenty of space in there for your wallet or keys which you wish to remain hidden from view. Sat behind that then we've got our volume controller as well as our seek track. You can also turn the sound system off by pushing that button in. And then once again behind that we do have our Tronic gearbox controller there, so you can knock it over into manual mode there and choose the gears for yourself, which is especially fun if you're in dynamic mode. And once you put it into reverse you do also get the rear parking sensors come up as well. Sat behind that we've got our controller for that virtual cockpit screen. So this is to use for our central infotainment display, so you can look at things such as your map. You can also have a look at your radio and your media via the pre-selected buttons. We've got a cup holder there with space for your keys sat behind, and then we do have as well a sliding centre armrest here which can be fixed at several different height positions to make it truly comfortable in this driving position of this vehicle. Got space under here where we do find a second cup holder that can be very handily folded away if you want to use the space for other things such as putting your phone in there, and we do also find as well a 12-volt socket in there, perfect for any accessories. So that completes our look today at this approved used 2022 Audi TT Coupé Black Edition. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417, and as an approved used vehicle this car does get a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.